Okay, now that we've finished the beard trim, the bulk of it, now we want to start the outline. So I want to start in the center. And the thicker the beard, the lower the line. So I'm just going to kind of follow what he had. And I just want to keep it a little more square. And I'm not going to shave over his whole neck because I'm gonna do it with a razor, and I don't want to irritate his skin by doing it twice with the trimmer and the razor. So we just want to get a nice line, and then we'll sharpen that line up with the razor. Okay, so we get the left side, and then we'll work our way around to the right side. So I don't want to lean all the, you don't want to lean all the way across. So you're going to turn the client's head towards you, so you can see. And get that nice sharp line, and you can definitely tell he has the kind of beard that's very susceptible to razor burn and bumps. You can see a couple scars right there where he's probably given himself some bumps in the past. So when we do shave him, we're going to be very careful. We're just going to shave him once, and we're going to get as close as we can on the first try, and then we're going to leave it at that. Okay, and we'll come around and we'll make sure that we got this. Okay, then we're going to work on the face here. And then I find by pushing the trimmer, you're going to get a nice sharp line, and then we're going to follow that with the straight edge. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Bring that down just a little more and make sure both sides match, very important. We'll stand behind here and make sure we're the same height. Okay, so now that we're done with this, we're going to move on to the straight razor portion.